And even with the sad passing of that baby girl, the numbers still showing improvements in Detroit, but this is far from over. Detroit city officials have expanded testing to include area residents and people still required to go to work. They can get tested at the fairgrounds site without a prescription, but they do need an appointment. Nursing homes still remain a major concern, a third of the deaths in the city. 7 Action News reporter Jim Kurtzner live downtown now to break it all down for us. Jim.
Glenda, we've been hearing from families with loved ones in nursing homes telling us they're not being kept informed, and the mayor here this afternoon says the numbers inside those centers are alarming.
When the final chapter on the coronavirus is written in Detroit, if 1 out of 4 or 1 out of 5 of all of our victims were nursing home patients.
By the numbers, Detroit has logged more than 7,700 positive cases, 629 deaths. Many of those seniors. They're averaging a 30% infection rate. A week and a half ago, one nursing home in Riverview had 7 deaths. One nursing home in Livonia had 15 deaths. Detroit has 26 nursing homes, and half of those, the rapid Abbott lab tests have been administered by Detroit Fire and EMS to residents and staff. City is also providing them personal protection equipment. City officials know where the highest numbers of cases are happening, but they say state officials are not allowing them to release that information.
I don't have any problem releasing all information. I just don't know that it's our call to do it.
Because if you're the family with a loved one in there and you don't necessarily get the call from the nursing home, the only conduit of that information could be the city.
Yeah. No, I understand what you're saying.
People still unemployed, waiting for state unemployment benefits, waiting for the federal checks. Hopewell Missionary Baptist Church, the latest, handing out food assistance. Food provided by Forgotten Harvest and the World Central Kitchen is going out to thousands each day. We put this schedule on our website, WXYZ.com. Inside these packages are canned goods, prepared meals, fresh fruit, dairy, and proteins. The food is some comfort out on these front lines.
We've had one of our elderly, sadly enough, just passed a few days ago from COVID.
That hits home.
It does hit home. It hurts very, very bad.
One man driving through to get food for his family says he works as a concierge at a Detroit apartment building where doctors and medical personnel are staying. He hopes they're not carrying the virus in with them.
Yes, I worry because a lot of doctors walk past me.
Now some more good news from the mayor. He says because of testing, 900 personnel in the Detroit Police Department have returned to work after quarantine. Only 19 beds occupied at the TCF Center in that field hospital that was set up for 1,000. Some people going home from there. Contact tracing, the mayor says that's not happening right now. They will need to scale up for that, hiring people to do that. Remember, in Massachusetts, they're hiring 1,000 people to do that to get back to work. Live downtown, Jim Kurtzner, 7 Action News.
Jim, thank you.